Hey guys, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well. And today I was inspired with a painting when I read a book, painting book. It is famous painting collections. Okay, this book is a collection by Marina Vaisi. Okay, she is a critic, painting critic. She collected every paintings and she published as a book. Okay, and I was inspired with one painting. Okay, today when I go through with a work of Johann Eck. Okay, so he is actually a 14th century painter, and his painting of the Arnolfini marriage. Okay, it's a Arnolfini marriage. Hope you guys can see well. Okay, this is awesome, right? Okay, I thought to share something what I read from this book. Okay, it was highly inspiring. When I see this, if this picture is crystal clear, then I was just searching for what behind it. Okay, so it's actually an oil painting. Okay, then and one more thing, this is a first double full-length contemporary portrait in North. Okay, this is the highlight of this painting. Okay, and this painting is still in it's you can see in London. Okay, in the National Gallery. Okay, you can see it, and this painting is a remarkable in giving a feeling for texture and the effects of light. While seeing this picture, things that attracted me, these are okay. There is a apple over there, and you can see the candle here. Only one single candle is lit up, is illuminated. Okay, and then my focus went towards the mirror, because in mirror in painting there is only two people. Okay, but in mirror I saw the presence of three people. Okay, this also attracted me. Then and this cute puppy. Okay, this very cute puppy attracted me. Okay, and then the chapels. Okay, this seems like a chapel of her. Okay. And while reading this book, I what it all I was focusing while reading this painting. There was a meaning, hidden meaning in that. Okay, this wholesome portrait says about a marriage. Okay, it says in the aspect of spirituality. Okay, as well as the prosperity. Okay, by their rich costumes and rich location. Okay, this is what I meant. And when I'm going through this painting movie, uh, to whatever object I was attracted to see, it has a hidden meaning. While reading this, I was amazed, like anything, And actually, those carpets, that is it has a unique orange color. Okay, it is actually a Turkish carpet, but it has a unique orange color in it. Okay, that pulled my attractions too. And while saying this, I felt something like, like glorified with realism in it. Okay, but it gives a very good meaning, very good sense of marriage. But still, this painting touched me, and it gives a glorified feel about this situation when the painting was painted by Jan van Eyck. Okay, and the apple. Okay, those apple on the window. Okay, that symbolizes the fruit of the tree of knowledge, which it is said in Bible. Okay, I was recollected that. Okay, it symbolizes the tree of knowledge, and the single candle. Okay, they're actually totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, I mean that stand is there. Okay, but still only one candle in one stand is lit with light. Okay, that symbolizes, that represents the Spirit of God. See how awesome it is. Really, I was amazed when I came to know the hidden meaning of those objects when I was attracted while looking at this painting. Okay, and then about the mirror. Okay, that mirror has 10 scenes from the Passion of Christ. Okay, it's amazing. And then the hangings near to that. Okay, near to that mirror, there is one hanging. Okay, it is actually a rosary made of crystal. Okay, those are reflecting the lights. It glorifies us. It symbolizes a glorifying time. Okay, when they are with marriage. Okay, and and the room is lit by clear, cool daylight, and each object stands out with crystal clear on the highly finished surface of the painting. Really, really. And the color what the girl, okay, has in her cloth, okay, those blue colors, okay, that indicates the purity. Okay, purity and the voluminous dress, and the folds. Okay, and the folds in those costume. Okay, conceals her pregnancy. Once again, I'll show you guys. See those frills. Okay, it shows. It symbolizes about the pregnancy. So marriage is for carrying out the pregnancy. And the color of the dress, see, it's cool blue, that symbolizes the purity of the girl. Okay, and then the small dog. Okay, what we see, the small dog and the woman's feet, that slippers. Okay, woman's feet is recognized as a symbol of fidelity. Really, this touches me, because usually we used to see many paintings which expresses the beauty, okay, beauty of the portrait, but here he has used the liveliness, okay, to symbolizes the fidelity. Okay, really, that touched me. Then an informal atmosphere is created by the presence of dog and the man's clothes, okay, lying on the floor. So these two, this presence of dog and the man's clogs, okay, man's clogs lying on the floor, uh, brings the realism of the painting. See, in painting also, this painter wants to give some realism by giving life to dog and the clocks on the floor. See, uh, really how at first time when I saw this painting, I felt like it's highly in reality. What I, as if I'm seeing now. Okay, that's how I felt. Now only I came to know the secret of painter, that he has used what he made the dog and the clocks of the man. Okay, on the floor. Okay, to bring the realism for the painting. Really, what hats off for this painter. And I started my evening by this wonderful painting and with wonderful light of knowledge from this painting. And one more thing, in that mirror I saw three people. Okay, but in portrait there is only two people, and for that also I got answer that the third person, okay, is none other than our painter. Okay, he is a painter whom we are speaking right now. Okay, and also he wears mild blue color. That's why I think he has given more. He is very fond of blue, I think, and he also wears a blue color dress in that see in that mirror. You can see that he is wearing the blue color dress. Okay, fine. And he has defined the relationship of marriage in both worldly and spirituality in this unidealized portrait. Okay, he reveals his extraordinary accomplished technique in its accuracy, clarity of color, and perception of the realities of life. Really, when I see these royal paintings, I feel one or other aspect. I used to feel a beauty of things what they use, or and the colors how they through the colors how they expresses the royalty of the people. Okay, but in this painting, I was amazed by seeing the realism in this, and the what behind thing, how the realism of painting will create an impact. Okay, impact on me. Okay, why to say this me. This realism created a very high impact on me, because I mostly used to think realism can be brought through lightings and creating shadows visually. Okay, and in the sense of um, placement and and the properties what we use. But here he made his painting with the dog and the man's clock. He gives an importance. Okay, that's why I think he has made a double full length contemporary portrait. Okay, to bring the realism. Okay, I was really impressed by this painter's portrait work. Hope I think you guys also had a good time with this painting, and hope you guys have a very good evening today. And yeah, we'll see you in next meet. Okay, thank you and bye bye.